Welcome back. Now let's first briefly understand what do we mean by the term financial analysis. Financial analysis is a process of looking at a company's performance to arrive at a decision on whether to invest in equity or debt of the company and at what price. An investor in debt of a company is concerned with receiving regular interest income from the company and also return of principal at the time of maturity of debt. On the other hand, an investor in equity has residual ownership in the company and hopes that the company pays dividend and grows profitably with time so that the stock price increases and he gains from this increase in the stock's price. The central focus in financial analysis is to evaluate a company's ability to earn returns on invested capital such that it can grow its operations profitably and generate enough excess cash to meet obligations and also so that it can pursue new opportunities. Now, fundamental financial analysis involves looking at the information found in a company's financial reports, which includes the company's audited financial statements, its periodic disclosures, and other formal and informal commentary by the management from time to time. Through what is covered in this module, we intend to build a foundation to enable you to better understand information gathered from various sources. All publicly traded companies listed on exchanges are required to disclose regular and periodic updates, which includes their financial statements. These statements can be accessed from the exchange's website or the company's website or sometimes even from the regulator's website in some countries. In the next few lectures, we'll briefly cover various components of financial statement one by one. Let's start by briefly looking at the contents of the financial statements issued by any company. A typical financial statement would at least include all of these sections. The first is a statement of financial position, also known as the balance sheet. Then you have the statement of income, which is also known as the profit and loss statement. Next, you have a statement of changes in equity, which essentially summarizes the change in equity capital structure of the company in the period of reporting. Another important section that you find in financial statements is a statement of cash flows, which summarizes the various cash flows in the given period. Then you have the notes to account, which includes additional disclosure with respect to various items in these previous statements we have covered. And also you have the management discussion and analysis, which gives you the perspective of the management on various issues faced by the company. Now in the next few lectures, we'll briefly look at each one of these one by one.